What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. In case you're new to the channel, I am a Kindle publisher who's been in the business for almost 4 years now, and I've been making a full-time income from publishing for the last 2 years. So what I want to share with you guys today actually is not so much related to Kindle publishing, but what you can expect from this channel moving forward. So as you can tell, this user interface is a little bit weird. I'm actually showing you from my studio end what I'll be working on for videos moving forward. But in case you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking below. That's just one feature that I have among many with a platform called Restream. So for those of you who are either YouTubers or maybe you want to look into producing a YouTube brand related to your books, related to maybe even your personal brand so you can sell things online, I wholeheartedly want to recommend to you Restream.io. Now, Restream was recommended to me by Dale L. Roberts, as he'll be using it for his live streams and for some of his video production content. And I will also be using Restream as well for live streams in the future. So there's a lot of cool features. A lot of them you honestly won't really have to get excited about, but there's some cool stuff here. I can put on captions and stuff. But for you, what's cool about Restream is that it lets you stream live up to actually over 30 platforms at once. So instead of doing one stream for YouTube, a separate stream for Facebook, and then a separate stream for Twitch, rather than doing that, you can have one single broadcast through Restream, consolidate your broadcast through all the channels that you're using at once. So that is the main appeal behind Restream. There's so many cool features. I'm just starting to learn them all. You can have different logos and overlays display. So as you can already tell, I do have an overlay that I'm working with in the meantime. There's different ones that came stock. But for now, I'll work with this one here. If I wanted to, I can do like a cool down countdown video before I get ready for my live stream. That's something cool to add into the mix in terms of production value. And really, growing as a YouTuber, aside from having great content, really comes down also to having great production value. So yeah, I have been doing screen shares and whatnot where you have my version of the camera on the corner of the video. That's standard stuff. But now, if for whatever reason I can have a larger version of myself speaking while showing content, of course, if we need a full screen capture of like what I'm doing with keyword research or showing you guys how to market books, that can still be done, of course. So that's cool just to have a little bit more production value, whether I want to show myself, whether I want to show a full screen, or if I just want to have both at once. So that's really cool. Something that I really like about Restream as well is, for example, I know LeBron James is dying to show up on my channel. I can actually, in real time, invite him as a guest by clicking on in my back end here, invite guests. I can invite LeBron James over for his demand into the channel on video for him to share his opinion on Kindle publishing and whatever else there may be. Or we can even have like friends and colleagues, maybe people that you want to see on the channel here. We can even critique like a video that we were watching, or we can get an opinion on content that we really, anything we want to show. There's just so much versatility with Restream. And the best part is, guys, is that it is actually completely free to get started with Restream and use most of the features. I have a link for you below in the description of this video in case you're interested in Restream. There's no free trial whatsoever. It's completely free to use for most of the features forever. I am personally using a professional plan so that I can get some more features, such as being able to record locally without having to broadcast. Now, I am filming this with OBS, so I can show you the back end here. But there's just so much stuff that you can do with Restream. It just makes being a YouTuber so much easier. If you really care about your production value, you want to have high quality content for your channel, I definitely recommend you get started with using Restream. So link is below. I wholeheartedly recommend it. It's very inexpensive to use, and I have a discount for you if you decide to use my link. So thank you, Dale, so much for showing me Restream. I'll be sure to make use of it going forward and to make improvements on the channel. And until then, guys, I will keep working, learning more of the features, and I'll see you later. Take care.